Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this slide, I'm going to explain to you chapter 9 on the voltage divider. The voltage divider in this chapter is basically almost same as in the chapter 2 of your basic analysis. So in this chapter, we getting involved with inductor and resistor and capacitor. So we need impedance in this because in chapter 2 we get involved only on the resistor part. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, for voltage divider, we need voltage source in series with resistor or capacitor or inductor. But all we need to use the impedance. So in the circuit, we have voltage source in series with impedance. The Z1 and Z2 can be resistor, inductor, or capacitor. The impedance of R is equal to R. Impedance of C or capacitor is equal to 1 over J omega C. Or do the easiest way, negative J over omega C. And impedance for inductor is equal to J omega L. And all here are in ohms. So what is the V1? V1 is equal to, we need the voltage source into, since the voltage one here in parallel with Z1, so we need Z1 over anything in series with Z1 or impedance 1. Z1 plus Z2. But what is the sign in front of the Vs here? The sign can be seen by looking at the plus here meets plus there. So plus with plus, you should have plus in front of here. Plus here. What about V2? V2 is equal to, you need the voltage source into, the voltage 2 is in parallel with Z2, impedance 2, then we need to divide by Z1 plus Z2. And the sign here basically from the positive in front of here and the negative here. Since plus meets negative, plus meets minus, then this is minus. In this practice 3, we need to find the input Vg. Vg should be in capital letter, and then 64 coming from the amplitude here, and the zero phase degree, which is from plus 0 degree. And then what is the omega? Omega is 8,000 here, so 8 kilo in radian per second. And what is impedance of C? We use the normal equation, 1 over J omega C, or the easiest way is negative J over omega C, and this is equal to 8K into C. C is 31.25 nano. Don't forget the nano. And this is equal to negative J 4K ohms. And what is ZL? ZL equal to J omega L, which is J into 8K into L. L is equal to 500 milli, and this is equal to J4K ohms. And using the voltage divider, we need to find what is V naught. V naught is equal to, we need the Vg into the V naught in parallel. So here is 2K in parallel with J4K, because output voltage is there, and then this one in series with the capacitor impedance, negative J 4K. And use your calculator, you will get this answer. And this J with 0.5 basically is here. This is J, 0.5 is the amplitude with 90 degrees. So 64 into 0. This is 0.5 with 90 degree. So 64 into half, you have 32, and with 0 plus 90 degree. And what is the V naught? A steady state. A steady state is equal to 32, and we need the cosine there, and the omega, which is 8000 T plus 90 degree. So this is a steady state. Don't forget the unit. Okay, thank you.